turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the central screw on the air filter flange, then unscrew it by hand. Don't try to pull it off, it is designed to stay in the flange. This is the same for the other screws that you should now unscrew. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 20mm Torx socket, unscrew the 6 remaining flange screws. To take the flange off, turn it upwards, then pull on it. Take out the old air filter. Using paper towels, don't hesitate to clean the inside of the air filter compartment and take out the big particles. Put the new filter in place. Make sure you put it on the right way up. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed on the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Replace the flange, positioning it correctly. To start with, rescrew Torx screws before finishing with the central screw using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Be careful not to be overzealous when tightening the screw. You could damage the plastic. Operation completed.